In this video, I'm going to teach you how to actually link accounts in TikTok Shop. In order to do that, you can first head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. TikTok Shop allows you to connect up to 5 total accounts, which is 1 official account and up to 4 marketing accounts to expand your shop's content and sales reach. For this case, head over first to your Seller Center, and from that, head over and click on your My Account option, which is this right here. So once you have clicked on that, click onto the settings option right here. Once you're in there, you can see right here this link TikTok accounts. So head over and click onto this particular button. This will open the option to buy an account to TikTok. You can input official accounts or marketing accounts right here. If it's an official account, you can click on this link your TikTok account. But if it's a marketing account, you can head over right here and expand your reach through affiliate styles such as Facebook Shop, other invitation, and as well as other options. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.